Hey guys, just wanted to show you, if you have one of these TurboSounds and you have a bad woofer, have two of them right here. So this particular one, if you look at right here, you're gonna see the model. It's the iQ12. So if you have one of these and you have a bad woofer, you're gonna take the amp off and you look on the inside and you're gonna see what it takes. Right there we go. So let's zoom in a little closer. So right there, if you could see, that is what you need. That's your replacement right here. That's the part number, everything. So just wanted to show you guys in case you have any questions. And the driver's up there in the top. Let's see if that doesn't have any particular numbers on it. So if that goes bad, you could replace it with whatever they have on their website. But for the woofer itself, you want to make sure that you get the correct one. So that's it.